Hey entrepreneur, I want to show you really quick how to fix a Facebook Live flipped video. So if you're holding a sign and it's not reading the right way, you'll want to watch this video. And I'll show you for both Apple and Android. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you the link to my free report, Make Sales with Facebook Live. So stay tuned. Hey, so check this out. This is on an iOS or Apple device. So if you see here, the words are backwards. So if you click on the little magic wand, then over on the right hand side, click the tools, and then again on the left, flip. Boom. Now you can read it. That's how it's done on an Apple device. All right, so now Androids, unfortunately, this is only going to work depending on the phone that you have. So, for example, I use a Huawei phone, and you can't flip videos on that bad boy. I also have a Sony, and I couldn't figure that one out either. Now, my friend has a Samsung, and I was able to get a couple screenshots off them. And so here's how you do that. Samsung's, you're going to go to the camera app. Make sure you switch to the selfie camera. Then click on the settings or that little gear icon. And then click on Save Pictures as Previewed. And make sure this is not set to mirrored. You can play around with this to see for yourself. The only other one that you can probably get away with this on is an LG. And some HTC phones. They're going to be very similar, where you open the camera app, switch to the selfie camera, click on the settings or gear icon, and then save as flipped or toggle this off and on. So it really depends on which Android you have. If you have a Huawei P10 like me, unfortunately there's no option. So I shoot Facebook Live from my computer. So now that you know how to fix Facebook Live flipped videos, get your free report on how to make sales with Facebook Live. Just click that link below. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.